Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Sanket. You are watching Sanket's Brush, and believe me, from this whole day, I was just trying to find the best way to save and load in Godot, and it is a very, for me, it is a very difficult thing to understand. Maybe because I am doing it uh, very first time. I did it before, but I forgot the code and the process behind it. I know where the things got saved, but yeah, I know the basic. Here you can see I found the documentary. Wait a second, let me close my chat. Okay, here you can see, guys. I found the documentary on Godot websites, and yes, Godot didn't. Godot have not much to show here, and yes, this is what we have. But no worries. I also watched some tutorials on YouTube, and I'm understanding a little bit how this thing works. And yes, for now, uh, for next 20 minutes, I'm going to work on my save and load project. After that, I'm going to continue my uh, car game level 9. No, it's done. Level 9, sorry, level 9 is done, and we are going to make new level 10 after 20 minutes. If you don't want to see me coding, then skip the part to the 11:20. Okay. uh, this is the basic script you can see here, and these are the methods. Actually, if you go to this website, and I will link this website after the stream, or you can see here. This is the Godot-docs website. Okay, no, it is not zooming in. Okay, no problem. You can go here, see these things, read the text, and you will have some basic idea how this thing works. So yes, let's do it. So this is what I have done. I made a directory named data, and then after that, I put some uh, variables in it, and let's see how this works. First of all, let me just turn on my music, and there it is. Okay, set 1, and this is our music. Okay, yes. Mhm. Okay, again, I'm also making a. I will also try to make some reels, so viewers stumble upon my stream and might have a peek on my channel. Okay, this is our. I did this before starting the stream. So here, this is just a text format. I'm saving. These functions are just for a text format. So let's first see how these functions work. I didn't try them before. Let's see how it works. I hope it works fine. So first of all, I am going to open the location where my files are going to be. Okay, here. This is from try and error. This is old folder now. Okay, let's delete it, and I'll just now first we are going to just change the here is the text. I'm gonna try to change all of these things right here, the values of all of these things. So yeah, let's do it. And let's say whenever we press X right here, काय पडलं का? Okay. Oh yeah, when we press this button, there it is. Yes, this is a wrong button. The when we press this button, our game will close, but that is the last part. Get tree dot quit. But this is going to be the last part. First of all, we are going to save some things. First of all, let's try to save text editor 1 text and text editor 2 text, or text of text editor 1 and 2. First, let's just save one. Save text. So what do we have here? Text variable. That means the variable that holds some string value. Okay, and this is what we are going to save. Change. I mean this value we are going to change. Okay, and child control node. That means it is the node from here. So you can see I am using get node, child control node. That means it is we can also save it as string. So what is the node right here? And this is the node. This text we are going to save text editor 1. Okay, and file access, open location, blah blah blah, forward data. Okay, so yes, this is save. And am I missing anything here? In ready, we are going to load text. Enter, load text, and again the same thing. Now let's see what do we have here in load text. Text dot variable string, same thing. And if file access dot file exists location. So here is our location, and or this is fresh data. Fresh data means the data from the file. Okay, and self dot get node style control node. Okay, this is it, and this is self dot get node. That means this is the self, and these are the nodes. So we are getting one of these dot text. Okay, so we are the changing text here, and yes, I hope this works. First of all, we don't have any file here or folder. We don't have any file or folder. Don't get confused with this one. This is the other save and load. This is from very previous project. So first of all, we are going to, so if we run it directly, if we run this project directly, so what is going to happen right here? Okay, so this is our text editor 1. So let's change some text and let's see what happens. Let me put some random word letters, and if I press the X, it should save. I hope it saves. Okay, and if I open the project again, then yes, this works. I promise I didn't use this this I made these custom functions in the, I didn't use them in with the before stream. Yes, before stream. So now this is now here is the complicated part. What happens if I save another variable or another some kind of data in it? So let's see what happens. On express again. Oh, okay. This time we are going to save text editor 2. Save text. I hope this works. Now this is what we are going to use from the data directory. And this name we are going to use from our main node's child. Okay, and again same thing here, load text. I'm just going to copy and paste it and put in to here. Okay, we are done here. Everything is looking good. Now let's see if this works. Okay, this is working, but the thing is, what if we what if I change something here and then again open the code? Let me put my YouTube channel name, Sanket's Brush. Okay, I hope this works. I hope this will work. Now this and this. If I restart the level, okay, it is working. That's very good. That's good. Oh, we have a working script, guys, right here. You can say screenshot it, copy it, use for your own work. Don't spend a day like me to make a good script. Just copy this code and you will save your day. I'm glad I am making a reel here. Also, I'm shooting reel in background, so I cut after the. Basically, I'm just making a stream, but in a vertical thing. So yes, you can copy this code. Right here, you can see this code works. And okay, I'm getting happy very soon, confident very soon, but I should not do that, because the thing is, this is just text. We are saving the only text value. Now what is very similar to the text value? Of course, it is the color picker's color value. Here you can see. What is hex? Okay. Does this work if I copy this, whatever this color is? Let me just copy it and again make it white color and color picker dot color equal dot no color picker dot where is the color? This is color. Properties name is color. What's wrong? Okay, by the way, the main thing is I'm trying to save a color value in a string r color. Okay, we are good. Here it is. Here is the property color picker dot color equals, let me put that number or whatever this is. So basically this is string, right? If this is string and string is working with color, then we are good. And it's right. Yes, here it is. Here is the color. Now I am going to try one more thing. You see, for you see string is this cc variable is going to be a string. And what if I just put here cc? Will it work or not? I hope this works. Okay, this is working. That means I can use the string value also for color. Okay, now one more thing. Load text Here is our uh, the color picker from directory, data directory. Let's put it here, and color picker from our main nodes child. Let me just copy the name and paste it here. Same with the save. Control A, save enter. This a save text. Control V. Okay. Okay, let's see if color also works. Okay, what is going on here? Oh yeah. Of course, this is not going to work because I am trying to change the text, and color picker don't have any text value, text thing right here. So this will not work. I have to make another function for color. So let me just remove this and this. What about now? Okay, it is working fine. So now I'm going to make one more custom function, which is save color and load color. The things will be same like this, but instead of text we are going to use color. In text variable child control. Okay, no, we are going to indicate a color variable. Okay, and child control node same. Okay, it is a little bit confusing, guys, but I am sure this is the easiest script you can find on the whole internet to just save and load data. I might also have I'm going to also make more custom functions for floats, integers. Maybe I will use okay, I might use the float custom function for also integer, but yes. After this stream, I will try to use every single. I will use try every single thing right here. You can see this set and get. I might use every single thing. So the thing is, these are just custom functions. Let me put it here. Let me write a okay. These are custom functions, which are first of all this is text. Enter. I am just trying to make everything clear. Let me see what is the time. Oh, sorry guys, I am little bit late. But yes, I might work on this script for some more time. Sorry, I was gonna switch my project on 11:20, 11 and 11:20, but I am a little bit excited because in my whole day, this whole day, only one script worked, and all of the script didn't work. So yes, this is why I'm going to spend some more time with this script, and after that we are going back to our car game. Okay, first of all, this is text, and here is color, and the thing is this text, we are gonna change this text from text to color. Get out child color. Okay, same with here, same with this, sorry. So LOR color. Okay, everything is looking fine. Now wait, when I'm saving, dot color as maybe what happens if I know when I'm getting the value it will come as a string, but when the computer is storing the color value, is it going to store in this thing or this color 3? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's just try. I hope this will also work. Save it, and okay, save text is done. Now save color. Save color and color picker from our directory. And of course from our main node child name, we are gonna take our main node child. Here is our color picker. Control C, Control V. Okay, this is saved. Now in ready, we are going to load it. Load color. Okay, let me just throw some more obvious gaps here. Okay, I hope this works. Okay, this is working fine. If I change the color, I changed my color, I closed my project. If I restart it, then yes. let me just play with my let me just play with this. Wait a second, where is the alpha value? Okay, let me see if I can add an alpha value. Okay, this is our color picker. Is music too much loud? A customization, color mode, RGB. This is what I want, but not this. But not this RGB. I want only alpha value. Okay. I don't think I can only put my alpha value. Okay. I think can I change the size? Yes, I can change the size. So we are going to put here 111 111 5 form position size. Maybe this is the last size we have, but I don't know why it is like this. Okay. Okay. The things are going in the right direction. Let me just realign things. What about this? What if I do this? I am spending a little bit extra time in my aligning things, but I don't like if things are not precise. So I am doing this. Okay, button is up. Okay, now we are going to make the same things for these things right here. First of all, let's just make some more space, and if I wait a second, guys. Wait a second. I am trying to speak something, but it is not coming out of my mouth. I think because I am doing two things at the same time. Okay, let me just add some labels and float. Okay. Maybe it's fine. We don't need to do this. Just a just do this. This is going to be this side, and this is going to be that side. Okay. Good. Now let's see. Let me just write something good here. So big box. Jumps over the, what was that phrase? The big brown fox jumps over the small dog. Something like that. And let's also see if integers things works or not. So 3.4. Okay, this is working good, and this also here. Now it's fine. This brush, YouTuber, artist, game developer, best S, and my favorite color is, actually all colors are my favorite color. And about this, if I press this button, the integer will increase 1. The integer will get added by 1, and same with here, but 0.1. And let's close it, reopen it. It is working fine. Now with these numbers, and if I press this float plus, first I have to add some. Okay, I have my value right here, float label, so data, we are going to our directory data, and what are we going to take from our directory is this float label, and plus equals 1, and the text sorry, not 1, 0.1, because we are uh, trying to change the float and not number. Again, why this is in custom? The downside is only exclusively for custom functions and not any other functions. Yeah, let me close the gaps right here. 0.1, and what we are going to do is our this, sorry, not this, but this labels text is going to be data directories, float label from data directory. Okay, let's see if this works. Plus, okay, this is working. I'm going to do same with minus. Float minus, press control, okay, and we are going up here, right here. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and put minus. And say okay, I'm not going to do int right now here. Okay, someone is watching us, that's good. Will move. Sorry if I am pronouncing your name wrong. What are you doing? Yes, I am doing the save and load function, and I spent my whole day on trying to understand how this save and load function works in Godot, and now I got it. Now I knew how this works, so I am making my custom save and load functions for simplicity. Okay. Good move. Am I pronouncing your name right? Sorry if I am pronouncing your name wrong, because I am also working on my English. Okay, for now, let me show you what I did. I managed to save the multiple values like this text, enter text. Again, this second text, if I do the something right here, and if I changed something right here, and I close, if I press this button, the changes will get saved in the directory. If I press X, then changes will get saved, and you can see this is the location right here, and where it is, yes, save and load. Here it is getting saved, and I am happy it is working. Thank you. Pin, thanks Pin. You like my code? Okay, now I don't want to make any mistake and look silly, so let's do it without rushing. And now this is text custom functions, this is color custom functions, And now I am going to make one more custom function, which is float. Here, let me just change the title, float, and again so now we were using string because color have the same thing, the FFFF, that hashes. Where it is, let me show you one more time. So this is what we are storing. If we change the color, then this value, the numbers and letters here will change, and this is what I am saving as a string. But now I have to change the data type here, and it is float. Float. Okay. I don't know what means message retracted, but thanks for comments and watching my stream. Thanks to coming to my stream, stumbling upon my stream. A text variable. Now we are not going to use text variable. It is float variable. Again. Save float, load float. I am going to consider first of all, let's say float. Style control node is right from here. Data text variable. Okay, they are changing it from we are switching it with float variable. Okay, self-profit float. Okay. Now data. Let me just wrap my head around this. Modify. Okay. Self-sorted node text. Text is not going to be there obviously, but then what is going to be there? Self.get node. The thing is, I am going to change this value, but this is also text. Then I have to do something different here. Just put it in. What happens if I take my float value and float dot text proper text equals, what if I put just some kind of integer? Will this work? 3.0. Okay, 0.5. Will this work or not? Of course, this is not going to work. That's why I have to think something. I have to do So what's going on here? Let me first recheck save float function save float, and we have two two variables here, float variable and child control node. Okay, the thing is, do we need child control node? Data dot, okay, how can be the child control node dot text? Okay, we can do one thing here. So child control node dot text. No, we cannot do that. I managed to save the, okay. Thing is not child. Okay, self dot get node. Let me just clear it first. The thing is, what we are going to do here is, I think I have to add, okay, yeah. Okay, I think I knew what I am going to do. So this node, child control node, is not gonna be here, but the maybe just maybe float value okay, float variable fresh float no, I cannot change this. This is this value. No, wait, not float label. Oh, I am just thinking too much. Let me see what I used here. Okay, so let me, this is fresh float. Oops, fresh float, and this is thin float. Okay, this is much better. So the fresh float is going to be in our file, and this is float from our scene. Let me see, how can I pull it? Not self this time, because we are dealing with variables which are not our child. They are inside our script. So data dot float value equals when I press the plus button, it will add with 0.1. When I press the minus button, it will minus with 0.1. Oh, how am I gonna do it? Mm, Let me just make some caps so I can see clearly. Okay. Oh, I'm stuck. I think this is. Uh, I think I'll move to my main project. I'll um, I'll find the solution. I will find the solution for this in after stream. But for now, we are going to do our level designing in our favorite game, Retro Drift. Hey, hey, for some hot. Okay, my camera is off. Come on. Okay, here it is. Okay, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. And yes, this is our ninth map. My stream got stopped accidentally. I don't know what happened exactly yesterday, but now we are going to make our next level. And the hardest part in making level is actually making a road, because if player don't have to feel you have to make sure that player don't feel boring. Okay, and first of all, let me just add some lights in our main home screen, because why not, right? These are our Blender files, like PSCN. I think I should start a new stream so people don't get confused with my title. Okay, for now I'm ending the stream and I'm coming back in 10 seconds.